subscribe, comment, like and share. Shop Boss TV. Production. Contact number 8765658124.
Oh yes, people. Again, Shop Boss again. Me have to say again the people because you know much they want us to and thing and all type of things dog about, rooster crow and all these things. But anyway, people, me I say yo watch ya. Get a video of people and thing and me I say surprise to me I say yo watch ya. Portland people. Portland ice people. Frozen ice and tree people like snow fall of Portland people. Yeah man. Like snow fall on a Portland people. Water drip off a tree, ice a melt off a tree people. I'm not talking like the eel fall from the sky of people. Snow looking things, something look like snow. Yeah man, a melt off a tree of Portland people. Right? You can't believe that? You can't believe this thing? Yeah people, look at it. Look at it for yourself people. Check it out. Alright again people, this year, I want to look on this people. Yo, I tell us the people, them people that we got a church here. Look, just listen to pastor people. Yo, listen to pastor said people. You see, the pastor is all about money. Them is all about money. You see, I say the people in my church, trust me, them stupid. They are stupid. You see, nobody ever go back to church there. If a Sunday church or a Saturday church, nobody ever go back to church there. No one ever go back to church, people. You understand what I say? This pastor here is all about money. It is all about money. You understand what I say? People, if you not listen, anyone who go to a church here, I beg you please, don't go back to church here. Don't go back to the church here, man. For real. No man, if I go to church like this man, people, trust me. And pastor, I prefer I go on so money. People, me not go back. Me not going back because the pastor is all about money. When you want to tell yourself in $5,000 bill and them things. Look here, man. Pastor go look work. Yeah, man. Pastor go look work. I want him. You mad? If them people continue to go support a church, I tell you, man. Remember, I tell you. They are so dumb. Stupid. Dumb. For real. Big up yourself, people. Subscribe and like, people. Shop Boss TV. You see what I say? Share, people. Church and know people. Them people are dumb if they continue to support church people. For real.
Pastor telling church member he only wants $5,000 as offering.
Hold this. Take that back and buy. Drink. Check this. What? Take this. Buy patty. Can't buy patty. I say 5,000. 5,000.